I'm replacing an Air King blower and motor for a bathroom exhaust fan, and this is a dual speed blower for high efficiency homes that require a constant flow of fresh air for better indoor air quality. And I'll put the model number underneath the video. The old blower was already removed, but to remove this style blower, you would take off the two nuts on the threaded rods and allow the blower to drop down and pull away from this bracket, and then remove your two power cords. The first thing I'm going to do is plug in the two power cords. One has 2 pins and one has 3. Once you plug it in, you can see it's on the constant low speed. When you're taking a bath or a shower, you can turn on the high speed. There's 2 tabs that you're going to slide into the slots in the bracket and then lift up the back so the holes line up with the threaded rods. Now you just connect the 2 nuts. Once the blower is in place, then you would secure your cover with spring clamps.